with another wig review. You see this? You know what that means. It's wig review. That's what it is. If you are new, okay, hit the subscribe button, okay? Give this video a like if you like the look when we're done. Watch to the end, girl. Let me know if you like the look. And then if you do like it, leave something down in the comments below so I know, okay? Now, if you're returning, you already know how we get down. And you know I love you very much. So today we're going to be reviewing this wig, which I think it's cute, but you know, it's gonna take a little work. It's gonna take a little work. This wig is from Vella Vella Wigs. It's called the Bounce Bob, and baby, that thing is bouncing, okay? And it's in the color 1B. So I'm gonna just put it right on. Nobody got time to waste. Girl, why you ain't tell me to show you the wig before I put it on? This is what the wig looks like. It's definitely giving me crochet vibes. Okay, it looks like a crochet wig, okay, which is nothing wrong with that, but that's just what it makes me think about. And this is what the inside looks like. So it's basic wig construction. You have your adjustable strap, you have a comb here, and that's the back. Then you have a comb here, and this is the front. Very basic. Just like I thought. This thing is definitely big head friendly. Let me adjust the straps. Cause she is extra large. Extra large. She big. Man, this ain't no joke right here. What to do with her? What to do with her? Alright. First of all, how the model have her? How the model got her on? So, you know what? Let me just try this. If I just do a little ooh. Whoa. Ow. Whoa. I'm in love with a stripper. Oh, yes, baby. You give her a slight brush out. Yeah, that's what I like. I don't like uniform curls. That's just not my zhuzh. And you don't have to literally brush through. You just kind of do a little pat and scratch and then lift it up. See, scratch and lift. And you just breaking apart them tight little pieces. So, I'm definitely going to come in here and do a little cuttage. Miss Thang, hold up. We is on to something here. Hold on. Ooh-wee. Just come on. Just cut into it. Shaper. Oh my gosh. This is heavenly. This is heavenly. Ooh, yes ma'am. Wow! If your wig don't make you feel like this, it ain't the right one. Yes, honey. This thing. Get into it. I'm just gonna kind of thin it out where the bangs come in at. I don't like uniform cuts, and I am not no hairstylist, okay? But that's what I get the desired look. That's what matters. My desired look. And that's all that matters. Okay? It may not be for you, but it's on my head. Alright? So, don't want to go too crazy. I think I went a little crazy, but in a good way. Because I love this. But girl, don't do this in the summertime, okay? If if you put this wig on in the summertime, no. You need to wear her in the winter when it's cold outside. You know, when it's cold outside, don't wear her in no 90-degree weather because you're going to be mad at yourself. Let me turn around and show you the back. So, what do you think? She's giving me Black Panther vibes. She's giving me Shaka Khan. And anybody that knows me know I love Shaka Khan and Al Green. They my favorites. And Tina Turner. And Otis Redding. And Sam Cooke. And Marvin Gaye. And I can go on. But anyway, you get the hint. Some people will say, that's too much hair for me. That's okay, queen. Because I know that if you put it on, you will look good in it, but you prefer not to do that. I understand. Especially if you're going through the menopause, you know, but I haven't gotten there yet. So, I can still play around with the looks. I like this. I like this. This is giving me Jackson 5, Soul Train. Yeah, it's making me feel real prideful. I like this wig, y'all. So I don't really have much to say about a wig like this. You know, this could be a headband wig if you don't cut up the front, okay? This thing is big head friendly. I got it on nice and snug now, but I had to put the adjustable straps as tight as they can go, and I had to put pins to secure it down. So this is very big hair friendly, okay? Don't let the amount of hair intimidate you. This is a beginner friendly wig because you're not doing no parting or nothing. You can put it on and you can wear it how it is out of the pack, which to me is a little hard to manage compared to this. You don't have to pluck it out as much as I did. You know, you can just go through and take out the curls. The main thing that you want to do is take your time. But if you don't want it like this, don't comb through it. But when they say tangle free, this is tangle free because when I mean, of course it's going to tangle now because I have it in the bush, but the curls were coming apart effortlessly. They were not sticking together. They weren't tangling together or nothing. So this wig is like the bomb, and I really love this wig with a makeup look like this, with the lashes that I have on. It really pulls the look together. The bang, honey, the bang. You just put a little bang down when you cut across there, and that's all you need to do. But get into this wig. This is very beginner friendly, very big head friendly, and it can be intimidating. I usually do get intimidated by the big hairs, but I'm kind of stepping away from that because I feel like the more reviews I do, the better, and the more comfortable I get with it. So, you know, I love this. This is the bomb. This looks just like black texture hair. It is beautiful. It looks like a braid out that has had time to age. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button on your way out. Join the notification glam squad. Give this video a like and leave a comment below and let me know how do you like it, or how would you style it if you don't like this. Or you might just leave a comment and say, girl, that's too much hair for me, and I understand. I understand that, okay? So thank you for spending some time with me. I love you guys. You already know that. And I will see you guys later. Bye. Look at this. Just that right there. Just get into that right there. Just look at the... Hello. And then you got the... Look at the background. Girl, am I not giving you Soul Train Awards? Ooh, look at the lights in the back. Bye guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.